Just like that. OEM SC lip acquired straight from the dealership. Got it loaded up in then 3. Take it home and unbox this thing. So I already unboxed it and I just mocked it up on there. It's not on there 100%, but geez, looks so good. And favorite part, this like such a clean lip, and the fact that it's an OEM piece, it's just perfect. So fitment's perfect, and I mean, you can't beat that, man. So all I have to do next is just get it painted, and yeah, it'll be good. Throw the JDM rear bumper on, put the Tomei on, and exterior wise be complete, minus coilovers. But yeah.
I don't want no one to come in to catch me side. But ever since you left, said goodbye, I wish you were here with me. I wish you were here with me.
So now that the wing is fully refinished, clear coated, painted, I went ahead and expelled PPF'd it. So it is now fully protected, ready to go into the car finally, and for the last time. And right now what I'm doing, finish off the front bumper. I just got these OEM Honda bolts, exact same screw as the OEM Mitsubishi, and they just go along here. So yeah, and I'll finish up the front bumper, rear bumper, and we're good. Grill is fully installed, all the meshes are installed, emblem, as you can see. The rear bumper is also fully done. I just gotta zip tie the harness around the exoskeleton, but that's done. I also am doing the battery relocation to the trunk. This kit uses OEM style pieces from the Evo 10 to keep the post in the engine bay, so it's a super OEM style kit. Comes with this little bracket, which would be powder coated black. Everything necessary. So along with the front bumper being done, like I said, rear bumper and the wing, this will also be going in the car. So. And clean tail lights. Also got the battery fully secured with these rods. I just gotta cut them a little bit. I've already marked it. Just gonna cut it here on all of them. But back to the bumper, I just wiped everything down. Like, had throw it on, put the wing on. This thing would be looking mint. Boom, and just like that, man. PPF'd the carbon on the wing. Sheesh. God, this thing looks so good. Which one you picking? Evo? Integra? Boost E46?